industrial pollution in India. As you're familiar with what is pollution? What is pollution? Come on, tell me, what is pollution? Pollute means mix-up of various, a substance, right, like that is in form of solid, liquid, gaseous form, that makes, and it may pollute to the air, it may pollute to the water, whatever our reservoirs are there, river, lake, wherever the sources of waters are there, right, like that is polluted. And various means to the environment, it creates harmfulness through what? Through industries. Industries, various type of pollutions is caused. Elements that affect whatever the substance that is in different forms of means, right? That is all industrial pollutions. And when we talk about pollution, it is a harmfulness. Whether it is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, toxins, these all are harmful, hazardous, right? Like that. That is dangerous for our life. When we talk about this air pollution, you know that today most of the cases, I'll tell you that people are suffering from bronchitis, asthma, respiratory organs, right? Their lungs failures are there. Why their lungs failures are there? Just because of this, they don't get a clean and fresh air. They don't get a clean and fresh air, right, like that. So due to means no doubt the industrial revolution is there, more industries has been set up, but for the economic benefit, for the progress, for the development, for profit making, some of the company, I am not saying that some of the company, they are not thinking about, they are not taking care of the nature. See, if you don't care of the nature, then nature will not care for you. इस जहां पे रहना है तो तुमको उस जहां की परवाह करना होगा। तुम अपने इर्द गिर्द को नहीं देखोगे तो वही एक दिन तुम्हें तकलीफ पहुंचाएगा। जैसा तुम बोओगे वैसा ही तुम पाओगे। अगर तुमने यानी प्रकृति के साथ छेड़खानी की, अगर प्रकृति अगर तुमको छेड़खानी करने उतरे तो सोच लो तुम्हारा क्या। The biggest wins, right? Today's means I am conveying you the message that means do not disturb the environment. If you disturb the ecological balance, if you disturb the environment, if the day environment disturb, your life is going to be disturbed. Industries नहीं रह जाएगी जब तुम नहीं रह पाओगे, right, like that. So the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution is all we need to be control, and we have to be means, right, take proper necessary measurement to control over it. How we can start these all things? Definitely wherever we are, this will be there, right, like that. So earlier days was there, the people, they were surviving more than 100 years, but today the life of span of people is very short. It is of means 50s or 60s and before that also. Most of the cancer patients are there. Why that is? Due to radiations, radioactivity and all that. So today what we take, breathe the air, is it fresh air? Do you think that? No. Pollution of various mixture of gases, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, various sulfur, this is harmful for our health. We go to hill station, everyone they cannot prefer, they cannot afford to go in station, right, like that. So all these things, we say that wherever industrial development is there, their progress, standard of living, but if there is advantages, definitely there is disadvantages is there. So various types of pollutions here being occur due to industries. Benefits and all that, negligence and all that, whatever we say. Water pollution, you know that various liquid, whatever the dyes, textile industries are there, they are doing dye, color dye and various chemical industries, paint industries, dissolve. So where the waste water is going? They are not, means their economic benefit, for profitable and resolve. They are not taking the measures and all that. So it gets mixed with the river water and all that, lakes and all. It makes impurity. Air pollution. As I told you that today most of the area and where means right, no fresh air is there. Very sad to say that today really means right, we are deprived by, हम हवा तो जी रहे ले रहे लेकिन वो हवा में बात नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने ही वो कहीं ना कहीं उस चीज के कसूरवार, हम उसके जिम्मेदार. We are responsible sometimes for our means right standard of living, for our means right luxurious life, for our right like that. So we had, this is our collective responsibility somewhere else. We have to, not only we cannot blame to industries कि ये इंडस्ट्रीज की वजह से, लेकिन इस इंडस्ट्रीज को रोक लगाने के लिए गवर्नमेंट है. वी हैव टू टेक स्टेप, वी हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड, राइट लाइक दैट, एंड वी हैव टू डू. So dissolve. Now soil pollution. What is soil pollution? Soil pollution is nothing but that is means fertility of soil is being eroded. It's going away by insect, dissolving it, right like that. By flood, over flood, right like that. Damodar Valley, Brahmaputra River, where West Bengal, Odisha are some of the place where every time over flooded is there. Flood where the soil becomes lose its fertility, right? It becomes barren. It is not in a capacity to cultivate. Noise pollution. Everyone wants to improve the standard of life. Industrial noise is there. At home you will see the mixer grinder, refrigerator, compressor noise. You will get AC, right, is working. Electronic gadget is there. Today our life has become so, means we are handicapped to say that. No doubt we are digitalized, we are into transformation, right, world. But one thing we are forgetting, we are not taking care of our environment, our surrounding, our economic means ecological balance system, right? So if we are not taking into care, definitely we will into the, one day we will be deprived and one day we will face a big problem in our life. Toxic waste, noise pollution, toxic waste, that is means what? The pesticide just for quality product, various and refrigerator is there, AC is there, whatever the toxic waste is there, that is all about it, right? So when it gets mixed, it makes no resultants. Whatever we are using today to just to have our home free from insects, free from rodent, free from that, we are using various toxins and all. So and in today food what we are eating it, don't you think that that is organic? Chemical fertilizers are there. We are eating more of the toxins in our, and that gives various respiratory, intestinal problem, various, right, like that. So every now and then your digestive system is being, right, not proper and all that, various problem occurs. Now let us see what we can do. Causes of industrial pollution. How the causes of industrial pollution is? Unplanned industrial. First of all, industries, to set up industries and all that, you should have a proper plan. You have to be think that if you are with the nature, if you take up nature, the nature will take care of you. तुम अगर इस दुनिया में रहना है तो तुम्हें अपने प्रकृति का और अपने नेचर का ख्याल करना. अगर हम ही नेचर का नहीं ख्याल करेंगे तो नेचर हमारा नहीं, right, like that. We have to be, so we have to care for the environment, ecological balance systems and all that. So these all things. Somewhere else we ourselves we are responsible of unplanned industrial growth. Anywhere, the industries is being set up. Corruption, bribery, these all things. The area where it is not allowed, there also somewhere else the industries is being set up. That is also not a problem, right, like that. First of all, the industry should be far away from the residential sector. It should be far away from the wearable statues, boards and all that, right, like that. So whether human survives living, right? So this all thing is use of outdated technology. The foremost problem another is that we are not upgraded. We are not upgraded. Still we are into outdated method. We are into sophisticated methods and all this all. Use of water in industries process. Whatever water we are using it, that we are having proper drainage pattern and all that of the wastewater where it will, we have to see to it. We have to, right, make a proper plan, right, systems and all that, that it should work out a proper operations and all that. It have to be maintained, that means, right, the wastewater should not get mixed with the pure water. That is, means not get mixed with river, lakes, various other things, right, sources of water. Dissolving is, that is poor implementation of plan and policy. Whatever our law and policies, it takes time. Law और पॉलिसीज बनने तक के आधी जान निकल जाती है. पार्लियामेंट में जाएगा, डिस्कस होगा, बाद में कब इम्प्लीमेंट होगा तब तक के कुछ और हो जाए. So the poor implementation of policies and laws, that is right, like that. Inefficient waste disposal systems means the waste inefficient, not efficient, not proper technology, not proper systems, not proper management activity or efforts has been taken by the industrial, by the government, by any other, right, like that, response to dissolve. Absence of nationwide polish tax. That is, means you have to, if the person of any industries who are affecting, causing effect to the environment, creating pollution, any type of pollution, whether water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution or any of that, means you have to implement more taxes on that, so that they can control, so that they can stop from that, so they can, means, right, they can, means, right, stop from all doing all that whatever is this all things, that is. And now let's come about what effect of industrial pollutions. Now what are the effect? Human health. This was the causes. Not proper planning, outdated technology, water industries process, whatever else, right, that is also not proper. Poor implementations are there, and inefficient, means not proper authorized, not proper person is being on that position or post, right, to handle, to take over, to control and operate and all that, okay, access and control. Effect of industrial pollution. What are the effects? Finally comes the pollution on us. As I told you earlier in my lecture, that health, human health. Today, even a child is having prolonged to diabetes. Various means, right, a born child is also having various diseases. Today, a daytime has gone where our grannies, our forefathers, they used to be healthy in their old life also. But today means, right, reaching to 30, 40, we are having joint pains, amputations, whatnot, body pain, this all thing else, abdominal means, right, like that, gastric, this all thing else, what? Because what we have, what we eat the food, do we eat the fresh food, do we eat, means the nutritions and nourishes? Obviously, yes, exactly, you are right, right, like that, we don't. Today, no doubt, our standard of living is improved. Everyone else is having luxurious life. Most of the, even a slums area, my dear students, they are having televisions and they are having refrigerator at their home. Forget it. The slums people they are having. Who does not want? But what the effect is there? Our health. The more n number of refrigerator, the more n number of ACs, air conditions, various other vehicle. In one family means, right, if 4 persons are there, so hardly everyone else is having bike, 2 to 3 vehicles and all that. Don't you think that means it cause a traffic jam, right? Various other and air pollutions and all that. Wastage is all it is. We need to think on it. This This is not only means, right, for that. See, if we are not taking steps, we are not, so definitely this will not solve. We cannot blame only to the industries. Somewhere else we ourselves, we are collectively, we all are responsible. Got it? So this all thing is, human health, low labor productivity. India is a land where second largest population is there. But productivity of labor is low. Why? Because more of the labor, they are not efficient, they are not skillful labor. Because of means the diet, the nutrient what they are getting, that is not. They are not in a healthy condition. They are not in a health condition. So the productivity of labor is low in India. Why the China? We are blaming an entire that कि चाइना ने कैप्चर कर लिया. चाइना कैप्चर कैसे कर लिया? आबादी है उसकी भी देश की, लेकिन उसका जो पॉपुलेशन है वो हेल्दी है. सो किसने मना किया है तुम्हें सेहत में रहने से? दैट इज वी ourselves. We are not taking care of our health, right? Like that. So this all, that is low agriculture productivity. We are known aggregate country. 42% of income to the national income, it comes from the agriculture sector. Most of the population that is direct or indirectly involved to the agriculture area. That is means, and more of the population, that is means main occupation is agriculture. But still, agriculture income compared to other country, hardly 2%, 3%, 5%, 7% of America, Japan, China, Europe, and Germany, if New Zealand, if we talk about means, right, like that. In terms of agriculture, we are behind them. Why? Various other, no technology, small fragmented land, right, like that. Small fragmented land. Farmers, various financial support, though the banks are there, NABARD is there, many rural banks has come forward to help, to support to the farmers, but the systems and all that, it is not been aware, or somewhere else it is not been fruitful, and this all thing is right like that. The farmer, they have their own, that they are taking, they want loan for their personal, that is means for what, jatra, for else, for wedding, mundan, for any ghar pravesh, this all thing is for any of the things, as we are traditional, and this all thing is, that is also we cannot help out, that is. Then agriculture, global warming, definitely. Have you ever, in a time was in India, 3 seasons were there. Rainy, summer, winter. अभी तो बारिश कभी भी होती है. नवंबर में भी बारिश होगी, दिसंबर में भी बारिश होगी. Why this is? गर्मी इतनी होती है कि जितना ऐसा लग रहा है कि मई महीना आ गया या अप्रैल. This is why global warming. We are responsible, right? Like that. So global warming is all things. Wildlife, sanctuaries, birds, wildlife, animals, this all. The deforestation is there. No reforestation is there. Afforestation, right? Scheme is not been there. Where as per India, 23% of land is used for forest land. But use, actually we want, if we will go to see to it that we need 33%. Still 10% we are short on that. And on the contrary, we are using this forest land for the residential, for our economic benefits and all that, industrial. So definitely the wildlife, which was a scenic beauty, a nature beauty, it is going away, right? That is, you can see hardly, we says, see in ad you says that tiger, शेर, हमारी देश की इनको बचाना है, वाइल्ड लाइफ को हमारे मतलब सेव करना है, सेव टाइगर, सेव लायन, सेव वाइल्ड लाइफ फॉर इकोनॉमिक, फॉर राइट, फॉर देयर बेनिफिट्स एंड ऑल दैट. Definitions of green cover and biodiversity. Everywhere there was green and there was green bushes, grasses and this all things. But due to this right economical benefit. Due to this, right, our own, right, dissolving is
just key दे दी हमेश अच्छा key रखनी चाहिए.
so just because of our economic benefit and all that, depletions of green cover and biomass, it is affecting in our biomass, in biotic abundant life environment. Whether we are human being, whether animal, right, birds and all that, it's affecting the greenery is good. वो हरियाली, we say that वो हरियाली वो खुशहाली, right, like that. We used to learn in our poem that गांव-गांव में हरियाली, जगह-जगह में खुशहाली, धरती अपनी माता है, जन्म-जन्म का नाता. By saying धरती अपनी माता है, जन्म-जन्म का नाता is not that. By taking care of our land, by taking care, we have to take initiative, we have to take proper steps. Dissolving essence, right, like that, to green, to make it green. How it will be? By adopting green revolution, by adopting what? By having like green product. He says no, go green. Stopping cutting down from trees, growing more trees. Everywhere means wherever afforestation should be there. Everywhere dissolving it should be. Now, when we talk about the foremost point, it comes industrial pollution control measure. Now, dissolving it was the causes. We have studied about types of pollution, causes of industrial pollution. Now, effect of industrial pollution, water, and now we will study about industrial pollution control and measure. What steps we will take, we can control of this pollution, right, like that. So these are the foremost thing is constitutional amendment. We have to bring something law, order, something into that we can control. We have to charges, fine, penalty, taxes, right, on those industries who are violating, who are going against, who are disturbing the nature, who are causes harmful to the environment and all that for them. Okay, this all. So that is the water prevention control. 1974. It brings that means see, conserve water, groundwater and percolate water. In geography, when I used to teach geography, I was a teacher earlier means right. My career has become from KG to PG. I told you already that when I was teaching for SSC student geography, so in that one chapter was there.